Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to the course of Python for Absolute Beginners. In this video, I will implement all those concepts of variables that I have explained in my previous video. So if you have not watched that video, then I will recommend you to watch that video first to get a better understanding of how to implement variables in Python. And if you have not subscribed my channel, then subscribe it and press the bell icon so you can get a notification whenever I upload a new video. So let's start implementation. For implementation, open a browser and type Google Colab. Click on this link. Now create a new notebook. Once it will get created, then we will start working on it. Okay, now notebook is ready. From here, change the name of your notebook as here I am working on variables, so I will give it a name as variables in Python. And now I am connecting my notebook with the CPU. Once it will get connected, then we will start working on our notebook. So it's almost done. Okay, now it is connected. Let's start defining some variables. So let's start by step by step. So first I will create a variable for number like this. Here x is a variable name and 20 is its value. Let me execute it. You can execute a cell by pressing Ctrl plus enter as well. So now the cell has been executed. It means that our variable x has been created. Now I want to see the value of x. So what I will do, I will write print and x. Now print will display the value of x. Okay, because x is a variable name, I haven't write this x in single quote or double quotes. Okay, so it means that it is the name of variable. It is not a string. Now let's execute it. Here you can see that 20 has been printed on the screen. This print will print the value of x. Similarly, if I want to change the value of x, let's say I want its value to be 30. When I will execute this cell, now the x value is 30 and this 20 value has been removed. Now now here the value of x is 30. Let me show you by printing this x now. Print x. So you can see here the value of x is 30. Similarly, you can create variable and you can change its value as well in Python. Okay, let's start by creating a variable for string. Okay, for creating a variable for strings, you have to write its value in single quotes or in double quotes. For example, if I am creating a variable, let's say language, and I am assigning it a value as Python. Okay, now execute this. So here the variable language has been created. We can see its value by printing print language. Now it will print the value of this language variable. Okay, so from here you can see that the value of the variable language is Python. Similarly, you can create a variable for strings by using single quotes like this. Let's say I am creating a variable say and I am assigning it a value hello. At this time I have written its value in single quotes, but it will work fine. So the variable say has been created. Now print say. Let me execute. So here the value is hello because say is equal to this hello. Similarly, as you change the value of variable for numbers, you can change the value of variable for strings as well. For now, I want to change this language. I want to change this language variable from Python to English. So what I can do, I can write here language is equal to English. Once I will execute it, the value of language is now English. This Python has been removed from there. Okay. For example, if I print language, it will show me value English. Okay. Or at the last I said that the value can be this value can be anything, like it can be a number, the value of a variable can be a string, it can be even another variable as well. Okay, so let me show you how to create a variable whose value is also a variable. So I am creating a variable x and assigning it a value 30. Now I am creating another variable. Let me create it in another cell. Okay, let's execute this. Now the variable a has been created and its value is 30. Now I am going to create another variable b and I am assigning it a as a value. Now the value of b is this a variable. The value of this a variable. Okay, let's execute it. After execution, I want to see what is inside this b. Okay, so what I will do, I will write print and b. Once I will execute it, okay, from here you can see that the value of a was 30, but when we printed b, we have got the 30. Why we got the 30? Because b is equal to a. If a is 30, then b is also 30. Okay. So for now, this is all about variables. But remember, we can do a lot of things with variables. Like we can assign them a value, which is a sum of two variables. We can assign them a value, which is a sum of two numbers. But I am not going to implement all these concepts right now because I have not explained the operators in Python yet. So if I will implement these concepts right here, then you will get confused. Once I will explain operators, then I will implement all these concepts. Okay. So in my next video, I have decided to explain operators and their types in detail. So keep watching. Allah Hafiz.